simple. In step 1, we have to find the longest carbon chain. So if you start numbering in a straight way, we have 8 carbon. And when you start naming from down to right, we have again 8 carbon. But from top of the left, we have 9 carbon. If we open that C2 in the top of the right to 2 single carbon. So the most number of carbon is, and we choose it as our main carbon chain. So step 1 is done. In step 2, we have to name the substituent group, and we know that any group and element and material that they are not in our base carbon chain are substituent group. We face a carbon down here, and we know the name of one carbon based on alkyl is methyl. Then we will see a Br that we know the name of Br is bromo. In the top of that we have a chloro, and then again we see a methyl. Then when we go straight ahead, we will see a C2 that we know the name of C2 based on alkyl is ethyl. Then we see again a chloro, and then we see a methyl. So step 2 is done. In step 3, we have to start naming from the way that is closer to the substituent group. If you start naming from top of the right to left, we will face the substituent group in carbon number 3. But if you start numbering from left to right, we will see the substituent group in carbon number 2. So the right way for numbering is left to right. Now it's time to write our big structure name by helping from 3 notes. As we know, we have to start writing from the substituent group that it is closer to A, B, C, D. So we check the first character of all of these substituent groups name. As we know, bromo starts with B and it's closer to A. Then chloro, and after that ethyl, and at the end methyl. So we will start with bromo. Bromo attached to carbon number 3. So we will write 3 dash bromo, and again dash for another number. As we see here, we have 2 chloro. That's one of them attached to carbon number 3, and the other one sticks to carbon number 6. So we will write 3, 6 dash. Because we have 2 chloro, we have to write di. So we will write di chloro, again dash, and we have to write after chloro ethyl. That's the ethyl attached to carbon number 5. We will write 5 dash ethyl, and at the end we have to write methyl. That the first one attached to carbon number 2, and the next one sticks to carbon number 4, and the last one attached to carbon number 7. So we have to write after dash 2, 4, 7 dash. As we have 3 methyl, we have to use the prefix 3, and after that methyl, and at the end we have to write the name of our main carbon chain. That in here we have 9 carbon, and we know the name of 9 carbon based on alkane is nonane. So the name of this big structure is revealed.